Ninja is a brand that I feel like you get if you want to flex on people.
I know. It doesn't look great, right? The camera's a little... and the audio is just a little... So it's still a good video. We're still gonna have some good times. I made a mistake with this one with my settings, and it's pretty much only when, you know, it's my face cam full up like this, not when I'm in the corner. You'll see me in a second in the corner. But let's just have a good time. Let's just pretend like this one's a VHS effect, and you'll see better stuff in the future, or watch my other videos and see some better stuff now.
Sure, there might be more expensive brands, like I feel you, but like the common everyday person doesn't really know that. But if they see that you've got the $100 blender, they know you got something cooking, you know what I mean? And I know they got a lot of other stuff, and I don't know, I want to do something different. So today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna check out something cool. We're gonna just see what Ninja's doing, you know? See what's new with them, see what things I might ask for Christmas, because you know Christmas is coming. Just go to their website, bro. Let's just start there, because they got everything. Air fryers, blenders, coffee makers. Like, look at this. And they even got like David Beckham. Like, they have everything, bro. Like, they even have celebrity endorsements. Like, that's David Beckham. I don't even know where to go. Let me just look at this. This looks ridiculous. A Ninja Frost Vault Go 24 can backpack soft cooler. I mean, it looks cool. I mean, yeah, I could totally see, like, you know, you're hanging out with the boys, you want to bring some brews, and like, you know, you pull this thing out. It's like people used to like rock with the Yetis, right? And like, it was like, oh yeah, you know, I got a Yeti. But now look at this, you got a whole Ninja, bro. Look at this. Is this worth $200? I don't know. I don't know if I'd ever spend $200 on this as like a backpack cooler. I mean, I guess if you're super into coolers, I mean, that's kind of cool, having that front little section there. Nah, I'd pass. I feel like there's no point in getting this one. I'm good on this. I think that's how we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna look at some products and we're gonna see if I'd end up buying it. Let's look at their air fryers. Let's start there, man. Let's look at this, because these look interesting. This is something that I haven't seen before that, like, you know, maybe I need an upgrade. Because a lot of my appliances, they're kind of old, they're hand-me-downs. I got them for Christmas gifts, I got them for, you know, stuff a long time ago, and now I'm thinking I need to upgrade a little bit, you know what I mean? So let's upgrade a little bit. Let's see what's in the pipe. See, this is weird to me. This is a portable air fryer. Are you gonna be in the car and you're just like, oh yeah, let me air fry some nuggets real quick? I mean, I guess. Let's see their little promo.
Its kind. The Ninja Crispy Portable Cooking System. Now you have the power of a full-size air fryer in the palm of your hand. Just prep it.
Do you still have to plug it in?
Crisp it, serve it, and store it all in one.
Okay, so you can put the whole air fryer in the...
Crisp it.
Okay, so it's got the top part. I mean, if it's a Tupperware container, I mean, that's kind of cool.
Crisp it.
I just don't know how gimmicky this is.
Soggy leftovers. Crisp it. It comes with
I'm just
6
imagining being at work and like
full-quart
you just take your
glass
Tupperware with you and then
it's
you just like...
compact and easy to store. The Ninja Crispy Portable Cooking System.
That's the only thing I can kind of think of is like, you know, again, you're bringing this with you to work and you want to get something... Damn, that's extra as hell. But like, what a flex that is. You're just sitting in the office and then you're just like... Yeah, Ninja air fryer. Yeah, I know, right? I feel like I rock with this more than that portable cooler. $159.99, and you could put it in the dishwasher. Nah, I don't think you can do the top unit, but still. You know what? I would rock with this. If I had some extra money just to have some extra money and I'm, you know, that's my only thing. I would do it for my desk job. And I would think I would rock it in a solid, you know, stone. You know what? I'll go ahead and add it to the cart. Why not? Oh, but then look at the... $50 for these extra. Damn, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is like, all right, this one feels like just all this is just flex energy. You know it is. But look, you can put all these parts in the dishwasher. Okay, I mean, that's kind of cool, I guess, but it's gonna wear down the coating over time. Yeah, again, if I had the disposable income and I just wanted to like flex on some people, that's probably the way to do it. Because everyone, I mean, what are you doing now? You're like, oh, I got a nice watch, like, look how I dress. Yeah, I guess, but if you really want to show somebody you got some money, portable air fryer at your desk. I think that's the way to go. What else do we have? Because that was actually kind of sick. What's this? The Dual Zone air fryer, 7-in-1. Looks like it's out of stock though. No drawers. Not fancy enough. Let's look at something else. I actually have a portable blender. My brother-in-law gave it to me, and it's been interesting. It's a bitch to clean. I'm gonna straight up say it. It's a bitch to clean, but I will say I do enjoy drinking from it. And whenever it is charged, because you gotta make sure it's charged. It dies kind of quickly. I'm gonna be real with you. And every time, you know, I'm bad, it's like I don't charge my toothbrush, and then every once in a while I have a dead toothbrush and I'm just, you know, pause. But, you know, so it's kind of annoying when you fill up your blender and you haven't charged it, and then you try and plug it in, you gotta just wait. But, you know, I do see the portability being kind of cool. And you know, granted, I haven't really put it to the limit yet, but maybe I will. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see, what else do we got? I want an indoor grill. That sounds sick. I need to look at stuff that like I just think I would be rocking with. Have a cookout on your countertop. All right, bet. But see, do I care about this? I don't know. That's the thing, is like all this stuff is like, again, like a luxury, you know? It's like, do I care about this? I don't know. But straight up, this is a big city slider right here.
Billy Mays here for the Big City Slider Station.
You know what I'm talking about. Billy Mays, you know what I'm talking about. That was it. Oh, the big city sliders, bro. I don't think it was a grill like this. This looks like a Foreman grill, but like, you know, upgraded. $200 for a griddle? I mean, that doesn't seem like that bad. And look, it's like fixtures. This would be good, I'm sure, if you're in a dorm, you know? In a dorm, something like that. Maybe you want to cook in bed. I've seen people do that. You know those videos where people like make like lobster rolls and such like that in bed, or mac and cheese, whatever. But like, I feel like I could be chilling, watch a Marvel movie, and make a shrimp kebab and not even have to get up. Like countertop? What about your bed top? I think this one is an add to cart. I think I would rock with that. I could totally do that just for the fact that like I don't have to leave my bedroom and I can make a burger. I'm down. I'm down for that. All right, let's see. What else do we have? Waffle makers. I feel like a waffle maker is going to be pretty standard, but let's see if Ninja's got something different. Actually, I rock with those videos that put, you know, the cinnamon rolls, they put those in waffle makers. Yeah, I could rock with that. Can I refresh the page? Nope, won't even let me do that. Well, are they just not used to people putting two things in their cart? Is that the problem? Oh, but it let me review my cart. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. All right, hang on. I'm gonna have to figure something out.
12 seconds later.
$99.99 for a waffle maker. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Like, you got that money when you're... Look at this. Okay. All right. What is this that they got? All right. Precision pour cup. Included measuring cup makes it easier to pour. Okay. So you don't even open the thing? You just pour in the top? Bro, it's like they're over-engineering every single appliance that you can think of, and it comes out perfect. That's actually really sick. That's sick. And it's space saving. I will say, one of the things about waffle makers, they take up a bitch amount of cabinet space. I will give it that. Okay, so that's cool. Audio and visual alerts too. It's gonna beep at you. It's gonna let you know. It's gonna flash. All right, I would 1000% get the warranty on this one, because I don't know, something about this just feels like it's gonna break. But this is a total add to cart. Like, come on now. That's an add to cart all day. That's an add to cart. Oh, wow. What do the reviews look like? Hold on. Let me see this. This 1 star real quick. Bought this waffle maker recently. I was expecting amazing products since I own a lot of Ninja products. See? Ninja fanboys, they exist. Unfortunately, not this one. It just leaks a bunch of waffle mix out of the screws, keeping them vertical, afraid it eventually rust or obtain mold. The cleaning part is simply awful. I feel like it's probably a skill issue, because honestly, for the first year, I had issues with my Ninja blender, and I realized it was a skill problem. I won't go into the problems that I had with it, because I realized I'm being pretty dumb. Basically, I wasn't lining the arrows up. I thought it was broken for like a year. Anywho, let's go to the espresso makers. This is what my mother-in-law got, and it is insane. I think it's the Pro. I don't know what the difference between these. The Ninja Luxe, it looks like they're like the same thing. Let's look at this one. This, hands down, somebody wants to get me something. If somebody sees this and they want to just donate me something, this here is freaking awesome. And you think, oh, wait, it's got a video. You got a video. Hold on.
Meet the Ninja Luxe Cafe. With 3 unique machines in one, you can create rich and smooth espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, rapid cold brew, and more.
What more could you want?
Barista Assist technology removes the guesswork.
It
from
tells you
grinding
the
and brewing,
grain size,
so
or
you
the
get
grind size of the
perfect cup
beans.
every time.
Every time, and it is
With the dual
perfect.
froth system, create thick, long-lasting
Microfoam?
microfoam from dairy or plant-based milk. Make drinks traditional espresso.
It's wild, and it comes with a wonderful booklet, bro. Look at this. Look at this. I would 1000%. Like, what? Look at that. Yeah, this is what sparked the whole video here because this thing blew my freaking mind. Yeah, that's an add to cart all day. It calculates the grain or the grind size. If I can show it right there, it'll say like, oh yeah, this is the grind. You know, the current is this, and then you like twist it on the side so that you get the right amount of grinded beans for your drink. This is insane. This is insane. Hell yeah, I want this. Yes. All right, that's enough about them though. So they even have juicers. That's what I'm saying. Is like they feel like they got a lot of stuff here. Yeah, just a juicer. Like for 150 bucks. I mean, like, yeah, if I was into juice, but like never clog. I mean, that's cool. Cold press, yeah. I mean, what am I juicing though? Like, I mean, maybe I get on like a health kick juicing. Total pulp control. I mean, yeah. Oh, orange is cool. I'm not doing this. I'm never going to do this. That's something that I would use the waffle maker 10 times more than the juicer. And here's another thing that I was interested to see. The creamy. People swear by this machine, and I feel like you do not make ice cream enough to justify a $370 purchase. You just don't. And I get it. This is the works one, but I want to look at this because this one's got a swirl. Are you freaking kidding me?
Ninja Swirl by Creamy. Turn almost anything into ice cream. And now, soft serve. Just prep, freeze, lock, spin, and swirl.
Sure.
Enjoy endless options of soft serve, fruit whip, frozen yogurt, and more.
You're not using this. You're not using this past, you know, 1 or 2. Dude, I don't know. This is pretty sick though. Look at that. I mean, that's the thing. So I feel like I could justify this purchase. Because it does look really freaking good. I don't know if I would get the swirl option because like, I mean, but dude, would that enhance like the soft serveness? I wouldn't put it in cones. I put it in a bowl. I don't know if I could, 370 for that. Let me look at like maybe a more basic one. But see, like now that you've seen the one with the pull, can you really like, it's just like, yeah, ice cream. But like, man, the one with the pool, it, add it to cart. I would just add it to the cart. I just got to. I mean, that's sick. I feel like, I don't know, that and then the expensive coffee maker, and then you got the waffle maker, just like everything out on the countertop. Yeah. It's a good way to get robbed. Let's see what else. They've got knife sets, bakeware. I don't really care about that, but this, a wireless thermometer, this could be cool, and it's on sale. Okay, so this is like good if you're grilling or slow cooking is what I'm gathering. Okay, so roast smoke up to 700 degrees. Okay, cool. And then use your phone. That's the last thing I want. I don't want to download a freaking app. I'm so sick of apps. I mean, yeah, I guess it's like the best way to do it, but I'd rather have its own like dedicated screen. I'm not impressed with this one. That's a pass for me. I don't really care about their outdoor stuff. I mean, actually I'm getting a backyard pretty soon. So actually, let me look at this. What is this? This is a pizza oven outside? Yeah, let's look at this. Outdoor electric ovens. All right, that actually does look kind of sick. They got wood fire oven. See, and then again, it's like, it just feels very unnecessary. But like, look how sick that is. I feel like I kind of want some Ninja products now. This is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. But again, a lot of this stuff you think you're gonna use, but then you're not gonna use. So I don't know if I would really like be on this. I just don't think so. I really don't. But like if I went to, like, let me look at something that I might actually, like, let's look at some of their cookware, you know? It looks cheap. Straight up, bro. This looks like some Teflon. Like, this don't look, I don't know. Maybe it's just the outside of the pan. Something about them just, okay. Something about them just kind of looks a little bit on the cheaper side. But I do need some stainless steel pans. I don't have any. I do want some. I need to upgrade like my pan game. You know what? Maybe I might get some Ninja. You know? Oh, they're out of stock. Yeah, so this actually sold well, I'm sure. I want some like decent stainless steel pans. There's a lot of things that I realize, like, if you have the right tools, it low-key is a lot easier to like cook anything. Like in my god-awful carbonara video, the video was good. The cooking wasn't. I didn't have the little thing to make spaghetti. That would have been cool. Having the right ingredients would have been cool. And and some better pans would have been cool too. There's a lot of things that went wrong in that video, but it was a good video. It's a good video. Maybe you should watch it. Is that really all that? I mean, it's like a little bit of everything is kind of, and I guess like I guess I could look at their toasters. You know, you're trying so hard if you have this toaster. just like the waffle maker. Like, look at this. You actually load it in on the side. It turns into an oven. I just don't see that being that necessary. It's so ridiculously unnecessary, but it's freaking cool. Nah, I don't need that for 130, to be honest. There's nothing I really need in any of this, but, you know. And then have, like, an oven. Damn, see, that's good, too. You could do a whole chicken in here. I need to spend some money on some Ninja products. Let's do a quick recap, though, on what I have, you know, what I'm doing. Because it's a lot of nonsense. I think if I had to look at it, portable air fryer, doing that on your desk, like, that's kind of sick. Waffle maker, I'm just waffling now. I don't know. Okay, so then let's look at my favorite gadget that I looked at. Because, I mean, to be honest, by looking through everything through here, there's nothing that I really cared about. And I'm sure there's some stuff I missed. But, like, out of everything I'm seeing, these are kind of like my tops. The portable glass air fryer, that would be so sick just to flex on people at work. Is it that useful? Not really. Again, it's just for my job. Like, I'm not going to buy something like that for my job for no reason. I do rock with the Waffle Maker Pro. That seems sick. This grill, I literally just passed by it because it's like, come on now. You're really going to be taking, like, burnt cheese out of the sheets when you're done cooking in bed? But that would be kind of sick, though. I'm going to pass on it. Because I feel like you know where I'm going. Maybe you don't. But you should. Ah, dang. Because that's the thing. These next three ones. It's like the waffle maker. Yeah, that's great. That's cool. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Next. These are the stars of the show. If you're going Ninja, this is it right here. You need this coffee maker and this ice cream maker. And you have to make it worth it for yourself. Like, the coffee maker, you're going to use that. You're definitely going to use it. And honestly, from the little booklet that I saw, you can get some use out of that coffee maker. I would be all over it, man. I'm just saying, if anybody's watching this and they want to get me something, I think I'd be all over that. I'm not even going to say think, man. I know I'd be all over that. Now, the swirl, though. You've got to justify that purchase, right? Because if you spent $350 on an ice cream maker with a little swirl option and you're not using it every day, you gotta just clock out and go home. That's it. You're done, bro. You're cooked. You officially got by the marketing scheme. You know what I mean? What the hell am I even talking about? That's kind of a nutshell what I think of Ninja. And I appreciate you spending the time with me. And if you want to buy me something, the coffee maker. See you in the next one.